Hi guys, TinaGale here, and I am getting ready for another event. So this is the Crop and Crate Delivered. This is for the layouts online event. So this is the goodie box. I have opened it and kind of peeked around for a little bit, but I thought I would do an unboxing and let you see everything that's in this event box in case you want to check it out for future events. I've done them from the very beginning. I did skip either the last one or the last two scrapbooking events, and I don't do the card events. So I've been here for most all of them. They're always great. They did change up a little bit I think it was April that I did one a little bit, and this one's a little bit different too. But I love the product, so let's dig in. When you open your box, there's usually paper, of course, but they always lay this on top, so you get a great little card with a little quote, and then the sponsors and the teachers and kind of what's going to be included in the event. So we have a lot of teachers this time. There are 6 instructors, and then there's going to be mini classes, a make and take, and then there'll be presentations as well. So they're always jam-packed. Everything is recorded, so you can go back, thankfully, because I have completed all of the projects. I believe one time. I've come pretty close several times, but one time it was my goal to finish all of them during the event because of the way my life was. I knew I wouldn't finish if I didn't. Other times I'm there for just fun, and so I don't worry about getting everything done. This time I'm a little bit in the middle. I want to get as much done as I can, but I have no ambitions of getting everything done. And as I get in here, actually, let me find the book. So this is our book for the event, and I always love this. They go above and beyond, giving us great instructions and photos of the finished layouts and stuff, plus room to do everything. So this is top notch. I did another event recently, and definitely this is a step above. So I love this, but going through it, I do realize that there's a lot of layouts that are not really speaking to me. Now, a lot of times I say that, and then when I watch them and watch them create it, then I get really excited and maybe decide that I do like it. So that may happen, but I will probably use most of the product just on my own or vary it up a little bit. So this is an image that we'll be coloring with Angie Blum, and this is for a bonus layout, which Allison Davis is teaching, and Jennifer Neville is doing one. And so it involves the 2 bonus classes. We got a pin for the event, so I always think that's a lot of fun. We also got a die set and a little tag. Let me pull it out. I love this. I think this was really great to get. So we have this tag, and it's stitched. We have the alphabet, and we have the little pocket die, which is also stitched. So I think that's a lot of fun, something that I'll use a lot. We also are going to have a presentation from Totally Tiffany, and this is really cool. So it's a little pocket for like 6x6 projects. There's a pocket up here. There's that gusseted pocket, one here, and also one in the back. So that's a lot of fun. I'll show you some of the papers for the bonus projects. This is Pink Fresh, Making the Best of It, which I have used several of these papers in the Pink Fresh event that I just did, and some extra white cardstock. Then let me go ahead and pull all of the bags out and get rid of the box. And we'll go through these one by one. So this first class is with Megan Andrews, and we're going to be using the True Colors collection, which I love. So we got the ephemera pack, we have the chipboard frames, these awesome gold enamel dots, and I believe SCT does those, foam phrases, and then the full collection pack and some white cardstock. So we're going to be making some layouts with her, and her class will be all about working with color and different color designs. So this event is really focusing on design principles for layouts. So I think that's really great. So even though I won't create a lot of the layouts the way they are, I know that I'm going to be learning a lot. So our next class is by Becky Adams, and she's going to be teaching using large photos. So we're using the April and Ivy from American Crafts. So we have the ephemera packs here. Love those. A gold alpha. And then this paper, I love the birds, love the florals, really like that side. And some large florals, cut-aparts. So you can tell this has a lot of different color schemes that you could use with it. Small ones. More white cardstock. So that's April and Ivy with Becky Adams using large photos. And then our next class is going to be with Virginia Neville, and she's working with patterns. So I love this alphabet. It's got little polka dots. So this is the Pebbles Sunny Blooms collection. So we got the sticker sheets, the ephemera pack, and then we got several pieces of paper. Again, I love the collections and the papers that we got. I'm just not a big fan of the actual layouts. Love this, all the different sizes. It's always a lot of fun to get some of the new collections and be able to work with them. So I'm going to cut apart and grid on that design. So that's Pebbles Sunny Blooms, and we're going to be working with patterns. So our next class is with Andrea Lake, and hers is going to be on the art of layering, and we're using the Echo Park Telling Our Story collection. So I love this collection. She does a lot of fussy cutting from the cut apart sheets and stuff to embellish and do titles. We also have the chipboard, the brads, and the ephemera pack. So lots of gorgeous product to work with that. So again, that's Andrea Lake's class on layering. And then our next class is with Janna Eubank, and I love everything Janna does. So she's using the Poppy and Pear from Be Valiant. And so we have, not the full collection, but we have some cardstock. I love the Simple Stories cardstock because it's textured and one side has the polka dots on it. I love that. Otherwise, I don't use a lot of cardstock. But this is the Poppy and Pear. We have the cut aparts here, all the different sizes, lots of mint and pinks, and that periwinkle. So you can see this is a really vibrant collection. So I don't know. I don't do well with vibrant, so I may change it up and use some of the softer colors. I don't know. I haven't studied the layouts and stuff yet to start making a plan of photos or anything. Hopefully I can find some photos and actually get at least some of the layouts done. So that's the patterned paper. And then we have the ephemera packs. So they both have vellum pieces. I love the little kitty cat and the dog. So hopefully we'll be using those. If not, I will find a way to get them in there. We have the puffy stickers for the titles, and then the cardstock stickers. So loved that little hedgehog. So that is Janna's class. Our final class is with Jess Forster, and she always does pocket pages, which I'm not a pocket page scrapbooker, and I usually skip those altogether. But she's also doing another layout. But her class is on moments and milestones. So the thing that Jess does that's awesome, I love her classes. I just don't necessarily do the layouts that she creates. But she really makes you think about the journaling and the stories and how to pull things out that you might not think about writing down. And that's something I struggle with. So I always enjoy her classes. And we're using this gorgeous Simple Stories collection, the Remember collection. And I had gotten some of this in a scrap room kit, and I'm excited to use it. Love Simple Stories. Love the colors in this collection. So we got the full collection, the chipboard stickers, the phrase, the foam phrases, and the enamel dots. That's brads. So we got the brads. I'm trying to hurry and not make this too long. So I'm really excited to work with this, even though it's probably not what she created. So this year things were a little bit different in that I feel like the extras that we got were better than the last time that I did the event. Last time I was kind of disappointed because it's always been so great and so big. I like that they're really theming it around design so that you're getting a lot of instruction. I like that they took out the mini book because I've got several now, and while I love them, there's only so many you can use because they hold so many photos. So I'm really excited to concentrate more on layouts this time. I'm excited for all of the instructors. I think they're top notch. It's always a top notch event and a lot of fun. So if you haven't done it before, be sure to check it out. If you are joining in this time, let me know, and I'll try to hook up with you online in one of the classes or through the Facebook group. If you have any questions about the event or any other ones that I've posted about here recently, feel free to ask me. I'll be sure to answer. So, okay, that's all I got today. That's the unboxing. Hopefully, like I said, I'm not doing the layout, so I won't be as fast and I won't be getting them as done. But hopefully I'll have a few layouts to share after the event. So it'll be in May when I would share them. So thanks for watching. Can't wait to see what you're creating. And we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.